Public School. Now I'm going to tell the meanings of our national anthem in English. India, you are the ruler of our minds. You are our destiny. Your name is Spain, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Rata, Dravida, Dravidan, Orissa and Bengal. It echoes in a Himalayas, Vindhyas, Yamuna and Ganga. It's chanted by the waves of the Indian Ocean. We pray for your blessing. We sing your praise. Our protection is in your hand. May you get victory, 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 victory. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Good morning to all. My name is Yashika. I'm studying first standard in Charles Public School. My topic is hockey. Hockey is our national game of India. Hockey is outdoor game. Hockey will be played all over the country. I like to play hockey. Thank you to all. My name is Pradanya. I'm studying first standard A4 in Jas Public School. My topic is national emblem. There are 4 lions in the national emblem. One is citron. The other animals are bull, horse, and the elephant. The Dharmachakra denotes peace. The lion denotes power, courage, pride, and confidence. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Tanyasri. UKG section. In Jasmine School, peacock is our national bird. With long neck and small eyes and violet in color. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Mama Akka. I'm studying UKG section. School name is Jas Public School. Peacock is national bird. Peacock are omnivorous. It eats and fruit and nuts. Insects and fruit and nuts. Peacocks are one of the beautiful birds. These are the dancing birds. Thank you. Hi to all. My name is Sai Vaishnavi. First day Jas Public School. Indagati was the first to work in Vishnavitya. She was born on 19 November 1930 to Kalapere. Indagati and through Sanjay Gati, Rajay Gati. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Anika. I'm studying first standard in Jas Public School. My topic is national emblem of India. Lion capital of Alagar is national emblem of India. It is made by a picture of 4 lions, Ashokachakra, elephant, horses, and full circle